sing it loud and clear. Base, past and past participle, give a cheer. Third person singular, adds with zest. Present participle, Ing's the best. Ing's the best. Ing's the best. Past participle shines in perfect tense. Connie and sung, they all make sense. Third person singular, he works, she plays. Each verb form has its special ways. Present participle, just added. Running, eating, singing, let's start the swing. Use it in the continuous, keep the rhythm tight. Grammar in motion, making it right. 5 forms of verbs, sing it loud and clear. Base, past and past participle, give a cheer. Third person singular, adds with zest. Present participle, Ing's the best. Ing's the best. Ing's the best. From base to past and past participle too. Third person singular, now you know what to do. Present participle brings the action alive. Learn these forms and watch your English thrive. 5 forms of verbs, sing it loud and clear. Base, past and past participle, give a cheer. Third person singular, adds with zest. Present participle, Ing's the best. Verb forms in English, now you know. Practice with the song, watch your skills grow. Sing it out, let the knowledge show. With verbs in your pocket, let's go, let's go. La-da-oh-oh. 5 forms of verbs, sing it loud and clear. Base, past and past participle, give a cheer. Third person singular, adds with zest.